Okay, let's do a chart request. Vulcan Forged, ticker is PYR. We're on the weekly Binance chart. You can see it came in on Binance in 2021, November 2021. So pretty much the start of the bear market, really, the tops. It done a double, pretty much a double to $50, and it's been going down ever since November 2021, right? Down, 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 down. Okay, cool. That's nothing unusual. The majority of the crypto market was doing that. Pretty much the entire crypto market and all stocks were doing that. So that's fine. The point is, what was it doing when Bitcoin hit its lows? So what we have here will be something like June 2022. That's fine. That lows there. It did the same thing Bitcoin did. In fact, what's actually interesting is we had another low here in November 2022, same thing that Bitcoin did, but Bitcoin went much lower, okay, and put in that bullish RSI divergence. Same thing with this. This had some bullish RSI divergence, but Bitcoin's case, Bitcoin shot up, took dominance away from all the altcoins, took all that liquidity and started to move up, all right? However, Vulcan Forged has just been in a range. Okay, cool, that's fine. It didn't break out till October 23. That was its low here, October 2023, before it pushed out. It wasn't able to hold some of these support levels here, which was previously resistance. You can see resistance here, resistance here, resistance here on the weekly. Gantt swings are picking it up. You can see those swings. Yeah, you can see those. Wasn't able to hold it as support. However, it was able to hold some weekly support here, which is why I've got that one labeled. All right. Used it as support, pushed out, wasn't able to hold it, dropped back down. Resistance, confirm this is resistance. That was your point to really get out. This was your point to get out right here at $3.75. $3.75 was the place to sort of get out. And this is why it's important to pay attention to the charts, because you would have saved yourself about 25% to the low, 46%. So, you know, if this was a project that you believed in, you could have got a 46% discount. Okay, cool. Time's gone by, so it's all right. It's all right, but we can learn from these things, right? All right, we're going to zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm going to zoom it into the daily first. Right. Okay, cool. So we got this low here, which is 5th of August, 2024. I believe that's the same low, that shakeout low, that fear, that extreme fear that entered the market. Cool. Nothing different from that. High volume, just like it is with Bitcoin in comparison to all of these previous candles, which is all good. Now I've backed up my fib here. Okay, I'll do that again for you. All right, from trough to peak, trough down here at $2.06. All the way. I'm assuming this is the peak for now. Let's assume this is the peak, yeah? For now. It can be respected because we've got a 618 push, a 618 support right here. So it's a good level to put for the moment. All right, this can change. Right. So if you're looking a lot more short term, when would I get out? If I see closes below $2.36. Okay. If I start to see daily closes below that line, I would reconsider my position. You will have a support level here at $2.65. All right. So it's up to you. If you want to front run it, get out if there are daily closes below $2.36. Or if you want to have patience, you really believe in Vulcan Forge, wait for $2.60. Wait for closes underneath $2.65. If we get multiple closes, preferably about 2 daily closes underneath $2.65, get out, because it shouldn't be doing this. It's closing below lows that it established in the bear market. Look at these lows. This is all bear market lows. Bitcoin hasn't done that. Solana hasn't broken these lows. Not even things like ADA have broken its all-time lows, the bear market lows. All right. If your coin's doing this, I'm out. Can it skyrocket after this? Of course, right? Could skyrocket, and I could be proven wrong. No, nothing's 100%. But I don't like to see things closing definitely not below its bear market lows. We're not in a bear market anymore. You're better off in something better, in my opinion. Let's put on the RSIs. Let's see if we can see any bullish RSI divergence. See, I don't see any bullish RSI divergence, which is what I like to see. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down, eventually makes its way lower. Okay, if it eventually makes its way lower, and then the RSI is higher. So that's what I'd wait for. All right. I don't have a position in Vulcan Forge, but that's what I'd wait for if I was going to take that bet, and then ride it up to this resistance level here. Okay. That's what I would do. Now you've dropped so far. I don't know what your portfolio is saying or how much you've lost or whatnot, but you've got to make that decision yourself, really, to be honest with you. So Major invalidation is $2.65. If it is producing higher lows, you don't want to see it close below $2.36. But yeah, I hope that was useful to you. We want this low to hold. High volume here, so we're expecting this one to hold. Yeah, hope that's useful.